Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download CapCut app and create a viral edit, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your device's App Store. For iPhone users, tap on the App Store icon. For Android users, locate the Google Play Store icon. In the search bar of the App Store, type CapCut. Press enter or tap the search icon. Look for the CapCut app in the search results. Ensure it's developed by ByteDance Ltd. Tap on the CapCut app. For iPhone users, tap the Get button. For Android users, tap Install. Wait for the app to download and install. Once installed, open the CapCut app. You'll be greeted with a welcoming screen. If prompted, allow the necessary permissions. This may include access to your media files. After permissions are granted, you will see the main dashboard. To start your edit, tap on New Project. Choose the media files you want to use for your edit. You can select photos or videos from your library. Once selected, tap on Add to import them into your project. After importing, you'll see your media on the timeline. Now, let's add some effects to make your edit stand out. Tap on the Effects tab at the bottom of the screen. Browse through various categories of effects available. Choose an effect that fits your style. Tap on the effect to preview it. Adjust the duration of the effect by dragging the edges on the timeline. Next, let's add some music to your edit. Tap on the Audio section in the menu. You can select music from CapCut's library or upload your own. To add music, tap on Sounds. Browse or search for a track you like and tap on it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.